Today we're making Oreo stuffed eyeballs. They are chocolate coated with a cream cheese Oreo filling. Okay guys, let's get started. All you need is cream cheese, white chocolate, and a packet of Oreos. Put that whole packet in there. Maybe give one to yourself. And then the 250 grams of cream cheese. And we're just going to keep blending that up until it's really smooth. Because this will be the perfect creamy chocolatey filling. Okay, once that's blended, we're just going to chill that and put that in the fridge. Let that chill for like an hour or so. Let's get on to the chocolate outside. So I've just got the really cheap chocolate, just as long as it's compound chocolate. It should work really well to make the shells. So just going to melt that down. I'm using a bowl and a saucepan with a bit of simmering water. Melt that down. I'm just halving out. We want to take away some chocolate for the other colors, because there's going to be 4 colors. So this is the main base, the white chocolate eyeballs. So I'm just adding a bit more Color Mill oil-based food coloring. And again, with the Color Mill oil-based food coloring, we're going to be adding this. This is going to be the pupils. So you could do this green, any color, brown. I've just chosen blue for my pupils. So this is the tool I'll be using to dot in the center of the spheres, so I'm mixing it with that. This tool I'll be using for the veins of the eyeballs, and I've chosen a hot pink Color Mill color here. You could do red veins, but I thought pink was cuter. And some black for the very center of the eyeballs. Now I'm using this kind of really small dotted tool to make those black dot centers right in the center of the sphere molds. Yeah, we just want to dot them small in the center. Chill that in the fridge for like 5 minutes. Now we're on to the blue. Yeah, just make sure you chill those black dots first so they don't go anywhere when we add the blue. And you also don't want your blue chocolate to be too hot either, because then it will melt the black chocolate underneath. So we're just doing a larger ball tool for this one. And we're going to chill them again for like 5-10 minutes in the fridge. Once they're nice and firm, we're going to add the veins. And by the way, guys, if your chocolate for these colors do start setting while you do this process, just put the chocolate in the microwave for just a little bit, like 5-second intervals, just to get it melted again, because you don't want lumps. So I'm just using, for this tool, if you don't have this tool, you can just use a toothpick. Will work just as fine. And I'm just showing you to make sure the pink touches the eyeball, like goes over the blue, yeah, like that. So it looks, otherwise you will notice if there's a gap between the blue and the pink. And now we're adding the white. We're just going to spread that out to the sides. Here I'm just scraping. I'm using my cake scraper, silicone cake scraper, because I chilled these in the fridge for about 5 minutes, just so that the outside starts setting but the inside's still loose. So then when you go to tip it out, you're not tipping out all of the white chocolate. The coating will still be there. Yeah. So now we have our molds ready for the Oreo cheesecake filling. So you can go get that chilled Oreo filling from before and start placing it in the eyeball centers. And we just want to make sure we're not letting any of the Oreo touch the edges, and we're not overfilling. We want it to be nice and flat, so that when we add the other bit, there's your eyeball. I know, I really like the color of the hot pink and the blue together. And now we're just doing the backs. So the backs don't need, I mean, you could do veins on the backs, but that's more work. So for the backs, we're just adding the white chocolate, putting that in the fridge for 5 minutes, and then pouring out the excess from the centers. So these ones are the backs. Filled them up with the Oreo filling. And we're just going to join them together like this. And then get some leftover melted white chocolate. And we're just going to dab the sides like this. You can see I'm trying to smooth it out as I go, just to get a nice seal. And here are the Oreo eyeball chocolates. And next week I'll be showing you how to add these eyeballs to chocolate cauldrons. And I also have an Oreo skull pop recipe coming up as well.